Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Another unboxing video for you today, and it is Medusa's makeup. This is actually the February box, although it is now March, and that's due to the fact that I don't receive this. They don't ship it till the end of the month, because with Medusa's, when you subscribe, when you sign up, they take your subscription from the date that you sign up. So I signed up at the end of the month, so they don't ship my box until the end of the month. And this is a US subscription box, so it comes all the way from America. The cost in America is $16.95, and that includes shipping. To Canada it's $22.95, and to the UK it's $26.95, which works around about the £21 mark. It is the most expensive box that I do. However, I absolutely love this box. It's a little bit alternative, a little bit out there. The colours you tend to get can be a little bit, you know, to not everybody's taste, but are absolutely perfect for me. So let's dive in and see what we've got this month. Here we go. Let's open it up, and I'll do that. You can see, I can't. What we got? They are the cutest little boxes, I have to say. You normally do get, I think it's 4 normally full-size items we do get, and this February box is called the Heartbreaker box. Little card tells you all about the products and their value, so I'll refer to that as we're going along. Now then, doesn't tell me the total value, but let's just get into it. We've got a little leaflet like we had in January's box. I am so excited for this palette launching, I cannot tell you. Yes. Okay, here we go. So yeah, we've got 4 items, and the first one I've picked up is looks like a lip balm. It's called Rage Against the Bean. Oh, that's cute. Wow. Now this is worth $8.95. That's quite a lot for a lip balm. I mean, nearly $9. What does that work out at? About £7, £7.50. So anyway, we have a lip balm. Oh man. Oh, that is vanilla-y. That is delightful. I mean, a lip balm's a lip balm, isn't it? You know? It is nice and soft and smooth. There isn't a tint to it. So, and let's face it, ladies and gentlemen, you can never have enough lip balms, can you? So, nice to have. I don't know whether I'd pay $9 for one though, to be perfectly honest, but that's by the by. Next item in the box is a liquid lipstick. I haven't tried one of their liquid lipsticks yet, and this is in the shade Strip Tease. It's a new product alert, and this is worth $11.95, so about £9. That's all right, isn't it? That's not bad. It's about right-ish for a liquid lipstick. Let's have a look. Open her up. Let's have a look. Okay, seems to be... Now in the tube it seems to be quite a cool toned pink. I'll tell you what, let's give it a shake first. Always a good idea. Let's have a look. Let's do a swatch. Let's see what we think. Oh, it's actually coming out a little bit brownier than I thought it would. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. Not as sort of slightly orangey looking at that as what I've got on today. So, and a little bit darker. So yeah, I quite like that. Quite like that, but we'll wait and see what it looks like on the lips. And the next item in the box is a Glam Rock eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rhapsody. There we go. I have got another one of these. I can't remember what the shade name is, but I do really like it. It's like, it's a really dark grey black base with goldy green reflex on it, in it, I should say. Ooh, this looks like, just looking in the light now, it's a pinky reddy hue with sort of gold, pink and maybe even slightly purpley shift in it. There we go. Let's just do a little swatch. They are really nice and soft, these Glam Rock eyeshadows. See, it looks like more like a rose gold there. Let's put that next to that. Ooh, that's quite nice. Oh yeah, quite like that. Okay, lovely. And the last item in the box is an eye dust. This is in the shade Full Moon. We did get another one of these a couple of months ago. Might have been November's box, and that was like a pinky shade. Very, very pretty. This, ooh, this looks like more sort of white with a purpley hue to it. It's got a little seal on the top. Now then, let's just, so I'm just popping the tiniest. You do not need a lot of these at all, I will tell you that. I don't even know if you can see that, but there we go. I have just popped the tiniest wee amount on the top. Yeah, probably not put enough on. Here we go. Let's try again. Oh no, there is a pinkiness to it. Oh, it's like pinky blue lilac tone to it. I'm not sure if my camera's picking it up. Let me see if I can pop a bit more on. There we go. That is, and it is really, really smooth and silky. Very, very foiled, very, very metallic. There you go. It's not exactly picking up the shift in it very well, I don't think, but that is really pretty. There is more of like a lavendery, it's a pinky lavender colour. That is really nice. I like that. Funnily enough, I did an order from Medusa's makeup a couple of weeks ago, and I ordered a purple matte eyeshadow, and I'm just thinking popping that all over the lid and then popping a bit of that over the top. That would be awesome. That would look lovely. These are great as inner corner highlights as well, by the way. Okay, and that is worth $8, that one. So let's just have a round up. So we've got $12 for the liquid lipstick, $8 for the eye dust, that's $20. $9 for the eyeshadow, $29. And $9 for the lip balm. So $38 value box, which works out around about the £32-ish mark. It's not the greatest markup box in the world, obviously because we do pay the extra to get it over here in the UK. But do you know what? Yeah, I'm still going to continue getting it because I still do like the box. The colours, you know, they're not totally me, I have to say, but I can understand why the February box was curated like this, and these were the colours that they chose. Obviously very pinky, very reddy, very Valentine's-y. So yeah, that'd be nice to add the rest of this all to my little collection that I've got going of Medusa's products. There we go. That's it for today's unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Please let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you'd like to carry on watching videos that I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks, reviews, product reviews, crazy palette bingos, all sorts of different things. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button down here, or the little icon with my face in it that will appear here shortly. Turn your notifications on, and that way you will know every time I drop a video, which is about 3 to 4 times a week on average. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!